Hey Sketchlab friends, it's time for some spooky sweet fun. Today, we're turning Frankenstein into a cute drippy ice cream cone, perfect for Halloween. Let's go ahead and draw these two dots. And then we're going to draw this foreshortened circle. This is going to be the top of our ice cream cone. So we're starting off with this cylinder today. We're going to draw these two lines down. And then a key detail, you see this line that curves down? We want to match that. Awesome. And now we're going to go ahead and draw these two diagonal lines down. For our waffle cone. Then I'm going to curve the bottom. We're going to go ahead and erase off this line up top. That's a construction line that we're not going to see. Okay, so we're going to establish the shape of the top of the ice cream. A giant scoop of ice cream on top. Alright, we're going to add a little bit of overlapping here so you can see we're using these lines that are wavy. Erasing out that construction line. Kind of going back over the shape again. All right, let's add that expression. So I'd like to get my hand going in that circular motion. Then I put my pencil down on the paper. Same thing on the other side, circular motion. Kind of adjusting the size of this a little bit. All right, we're gonna add a little smiley face. So we're gonna turn this scoop of ice cream into Frankenstein here. So we're gonna add these large oval-shaped eyebrows. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and work on the hair. So add these two diagonal lines, and now we're going to add these zigzag lines. The hair of Frankenstein. Erasing off this construction line. Then we'll add the zigzag line up top. Okay, we're going to add some stitches. Using lines. We'll add another one right here. It's going to add add to the character. So the story of Frankenstein, he was actually brought back to life. And then we're going to add these 2 bolts onto the side of his head. This scoop of ice cream here. Franken ice cream today. So we're using cylinders here. Draw these 2 lines out. Then I'm going to curve a line to the left. Well, they said Frankenstein was scary, but it turns out he's just minty fresh and drippy. We're going to even give him some rosy cheeks. Yeah, don't lick him too fast because he might shock you. Alright, so we're going to get ready to outline. I'm just going to go in today with a Sharpie marker. And then if you don't have Posca markers, that's okay. You can color with whatever you have. So I'm going to go in with a tinted green. So this is a light green with basically has white added to it. And now I'm going to go in and add the shadows with just the regular green. So we have 2 values of green there. And for the waffle cone, I'm going with apricot. And then I'm going to go in with some brown. The brown's going to add the shadows. Refreshing that outline, making all those details pop. And this is ivory. This is adding that waffle cone texture. I'm going in with that brown, adding in the shadows. Awesome Sketch Lab friends. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I'll catch you in the next video.